Mabuhay and good evening, sir. So first, let me introduce myself. I am Jan Paulo Yumbal and I will be discussing to you my part of our report. So first is BARMM, or the Bangkasi Autonomous Region in the Muslim Mindanao, and is an autonomy region in the southern Philippines that replaced the former ARMM. The region includes the provinces of Basilan, Lanao del Sur, and Tawi-Tawi, Solo, and also the Cotabato City. So first is Basilan. So Basilan is an island province in the Philippines and located in the BARMM, or the Bangsamoro Autonomy Region in the Muslim Mindanao. And also Basilan is the largest northernmost island of the Solo archipelago, and its capital is Lamitan City. So the province is known for its agriculture, and especially the rubber plantation and its rich culture heritage, which include the intricate yakin weaves and the musics. Let's proceed to the tourist attraction of Basilan. So the first famous tourist in the Basilan is the Malamawi beach. It because there are white sands and clear water, and also the Balinga Falls and Kambubata Falls is also famous. Is also one of the famous tourists in Basilan. Because there are unique rock formation and cold water. Proceed to the cuisines and delicacies of the Basilan. So the cuisines of the Basilan is a ceremonial meal of rice and various viand like chicken and fish. So the first is baulo, or the sponge cake. The next is kanang pitis, or kanang sticky rice, kanang mura siya biko. Then and the last one is pasong, or the cone-shaped stained cake. So let's proceed to the festivals of the Basilan. So the first festival of Basilan is the Lami-Lamihan. So this festival promotes cultural harmony among the Yakan, Tausug, and also the Christian communities. And also this festival, which means the merrymaking in the Yakan language. And also the Lami-Lamihan festival is a celebration of the Yakan tribes. This festival is a celebration of the Yakan tribes' rich culture. And the next famous festival of the Basilan is the Sakayan. So the Sakayan is the Sakayan is celebrated in Isabela City, and these festivals takes place from late April to the early May, and it is the vibrant celebration of the culture, unity, and the progress. So let's proceed to the Lanao del Sur. So in the Lanao del Sur naman, it is a province in the BARMM, and its capital in the city of Marawi, and which is the origin of the name is Maranao, or the people of the lake, and for its rich culture heritage. So in the tourist attraction naman sa Lanao del Sur, the first famous tourist in the Lanao del Sur is the Tinago Falls. let's proceed to the tourist attraction of the Lanao del Sur. So the first famous tourist in the Lanao del Sur is Tinago Falls. Because it's a natural beauty, unique features, and the adventures of offers. And the second one is the Mount Baya. This tourist is famous because not able tourist spot for several reasons, and also the spot for a several reason, and also the Mount Bia is a dormant volcano located in the Ganassi, Lanao del Sur. So let's proceed to the cuisines and delicacies of the Lanao del Sur. So the first famous cuisine in the Lanao del Sur is the dodol, or the sweet sticky rice cake, and the second one is the amik, or the crispy sweet rice snack. Let's proceed to the festival naman sa Lanao del Sur. So the first festival na ginahimo or kanang anong sikat na festival dito sa Lanao del Sur is the Karayala Festival. Because this festival is the most prominent festival in the town of Wau, held annually in the February to consider with the town's founding the anniversary. And also the Karayala festivals is showcase the Wau's diverse culture, and the traditions features local talents and creative, including the competition like mga street dance and ground showdown. And that's all my part. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Ashley Queen and I will continue the report. Tawi-Tawi is the southernmost island province of the Philippines, located in Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. Its capital is Bungao. The province is known for its beautiful islands, clear waters, and rich Muslim and seafaring culture. Tourist attraction of Tawi-Tawi. First is Panampangan Island. Panampangan Island is famous for having one of the longest sandbars in Philippines, known for its white sand and crystal waters. Last is the Budbungao, is a sacred mountain in Tawi-Tawi. It is a pilgrimage site for locals and visitors, and offers panoramic views of surrounding islands when you reach the top. Cuisines and delicacies of Tawi-Tawi. Chicken pianggang is a tausug dish where chicken is cooked in a blackened sauce made from burnt coconut. It has a smoky, savory flavor, and it's special in Tawi-Tawi. Next is the curacha, is a type of red spinner crab found in Tawi-Tawi waters. It is known for its thick and tasty meat. Next is the Tawi-Tawi Festival. First festival is Lipa Festival. The Lipa Festival celebrates the Sama de Laot or Badjao people and their traditional houseboat called Lipa. Boats decorated beautifully to show their maritime culture. Next festival is Kamahardikaan Sin Tawi-Tawi. This is the provincial foundation celebration of Tawi-Tawi. It features parades, cultural performances, and events that honor the province history. Last festival is the Agal-Agal Festival. Celebrates Tawi-Tawi's seaweed industry as the province is one of the top seaweed producer in Philippines. It highlights the importance of seaweed in local livelihood and culture. Next province is Sulu. Sulu is a province in the Philippines known for its beautiful beaches, rich culture, and strong history. Its capital is Jolo. Tourist attraction. Maubu Beach, a peaceful beach with white sand and clear water, good for swimming and relaxing. Next is the Sunny Beach, found in Capo Island, known for crystal clear water and mini coconut trees. Next is the Sulu Provincial Capital, a historical government building and important landmark. Lastly is the Sulu Grand Mosque or Masjid Tulay, one of the biggest and most important mosques in Sulu. Cuisines and delicacies. Tiola Itom, a black beef soup made with burnt coconut. Junay, spiced rice with meat wrapped in banana leaves. Festivals of Solo. Pangsa Sogdiet, celebrated on September 18 to honor Solo's local governments. Next is Raja Bagenda Festival, remembers the arrival of Raja Bagenda who helped spread Islam. Lastly is Mangosteen Festival, a celebration of the mangosteen fruit held in September. Last province is Cotabato City. Cotabato City is an independent city in BERMM or Bangsamoro Autonomous Region, Muslim Mindanao. It is called the crown jewel of BERMM and serves as the region's government center. It is also a major trade and business hub in Mindanao. Tourist attraction of Cotabato City. Asikasik Falls, a famous waterfall where water comes out from rocks like a curtain. Next is Mount Matomtom, a favorite place for hikers and outdoors lovers. Next is Lake Cebu, a beautiful lake surrounded by nature, popular for boat rides. Last is Old Tamuntaka Church, a historic church and important landmark. Cuisine and delicacies. Tinagtag, a noodle-like snack made from rice flour. Next is Bulwa, a soft muffin that is a local specialty. Last is Tipas, a sweetened bread enjoyed by many locals. Festivals of Cotabato City. Sharif Kabunsuan Festival, celebrated in December to honor Sharif Kabunsuan who brought Islam to Mindanao, known for the colorful Ginakit Fluvial Parade. Next is Kalibungan Festival, a cultural and harvest festival showing ethnic dances, music, and traditions. Last is Kulitangtang Festival, the fiesta of Tangtangan named after a Maguindanao musical instrument. And that's all. Thank you.